Welcome. Today we take part in the Syndicate. Enjin is on sale, and as you can see we have 1 minute left until it starts. I'm always super excited right before a sale. You have 1 day to subscribe to the sale. Let me check how many Crow tokens I can use. I have staked 100,000 Crow tokens. That means I can use $5,000 at the most. Let's go back up so we don't miss it. Less than 20 seconds left on the clock. I always subscribe to the sale as soon as possible. Just to make sure I get it. Are you ready? Only a few seconds remaining. Now we have to enter how many Crow tokens we would like to use. I want to use $5,000. How many was that in Crow tokens again? I forgot the exact number. I just have to try a few numbers to get close to 5,000. Almost got it. Sorry that it is taking so long. This is what happens when you do a live video. Okay, we are getting closer. Finally found the right amount. Now agree to the terms and simply click review subscription. That is all we have to do today. We have to wait until Thursday to see how many Enjin coins we got. I will make another video to show you exactly how many coins I have received. Hopefully, you took my advice and bought Crow tokens a few days in advance. Then you would have made a small profit already. I did the same strategy that I explained in my first video about the Syndicate. A video link should pop up at the top now. If you have any questions about crypto.com, leave them in the comments, and if you want to sign up, please use my link. Then we both get $50 worth of MCO. On Thursday I will upload another video with my results. See you then.